Welcome back to another home tour. We're in one of my favorite South Tulsa neighborhoods, Mill Creek Pond. Now this particular one doesn't back to the pond, but it's still an absolutely beautiful neighborhood. Mature trees, you can see the pond right there. Obviously they have sitting areas if you want to go sit around the pond on a nice morning or evening or even in the middle of the afternoon. Love this neighborhood though, a lot of character, rolling, hills, it's not super flat. Love it. But anyway, let's head on in. So this one at the time of this video is offered at $360,000. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, built in 1982. They've done a good amount of updating inside. 2-car garage there. Step over here into the garden area. You can kind of see what's going on over here. Now, it is what I would consider a patio home. You don't have a huge side yard, but you do have a lot of backyard, which we're gonna check out, obviously. Love these windows here on the staircase. You'll see in a minute. Super cool. So you've got wood look tile floors that match really well with the actual wood floors. But check this out. This is the back of the fireplace. You have a catwalk over here, and then on this side, you've got tons of natural light and the staircase. Love those windows. They are new vinyl windows there. You even have a little cubby under the stairs, which, excuse me, I know someone's kids would just love. Over here we got your main living. Has 2 entrances around the fireplace there. It is gas, and then we've also got a wet bar right here. Kind of a sunken living room. We'll check out the outside really quick in the backyard. Really nice. Now we are literally in the thick of it. You can't hear anything but the trees. So if you want to be in town, but you still want quiet, this would be a great spot for you. This balcony is connected to the primary bedroom upstairs. So we're gonna check that out here in a minute. But really great yard, loads of patio space as you can see. Let's head back on in here. Go out where the party is in the kitchen. Oh, you do have plantation shutters, should point that out. Great dining space. It's really cool kind of rustic light fixture there. Almost like driftwood, but they just put lights in. But you got counter space here.
When he jumps,
what do you think about this house, Megan? As you're eating? Oh, sorry.
It's absolutely beautiful. The remodel that they've done is incredible.
That's Kelsey. She's the listing agent over there. The tile floors are pretty cool, and I like these kind of mid-century cabinets that they got going on.
This is cherry.
Yeah, Vanna White that stuff, Mike David. Oh, there you go. There you go. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And this is like is this galley? Or it's a type of galley sink.
Which allows you to remove this if you'd like, or make it smaller. Look at that.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. Mike, are you sure you don't want to be a lender? Maybe you should be a real estate agent.
Are you sure I don't want to be a lender?
Yeah, maybe you should cross over.
I'm good. I don't swing that way. And also,
I'm noticing the underlight here. That's accent lighting.
Yes, custom LED lighting, all new stainless steel appliances.
And then over here behind everybody else, we've got like more. Are we calling this like? Would we call this the coffee station? Is this a buffet? Is it like a built-in hutch?
For me, it would be coffee.
Yeah, coffee bar.
It would be coffee.
That's a hell of a lot of coffee, Mike.
And as a matter of fact, I may even pop these off and do a wine rack.
Well, they have a wine fridge in the other side.
Yeah, they do. There's a wet bar on the other side.
There's strictly coffee.
Okay, moving on.
There's like strictly coffee.
Extra wine.
Here's your utility room.
Sometimes you need
And then we've got a half bath down here, which is great. So the other bedrooms are upstairs. Not the other bedrooms, the rest of the bedrooms. But check out these windows. Are they not the best? I mean, you gotta clean them, but they look nice. But I love all this. The fireplace in the middle adds a lot of character. I don't actually mind this color of wood. I'm not usually a huge fan. But it is kind of giving me nautical vibes, and we are like by the pond and everything, so I think it kind of works. And then we've got the closet over here for this bedroom. Across the way is going to be, this is utility, that's just linen, and then you've got your primary bedroom right here with that balcony that we saw. And Shauna's out there. Oh my gosh.
It's a great patio.
I actually thought the door was shut. I'm looking at the screen.
That's hilarious.
I almost walked into the glass that wasn't there. No, I love this neighborhood.
I know. I like how everything is stacked and still roomy. If that makes sense.
Well, I just like the hilliness of the neighborhood. All these trees.
It has Eureka Springs vibes.
Yeah, I could see that. And this one's a steal at $360.
That's it.
Yeah.
I thought we were $500,000.
All right, $360 right here. I got the sheet.
I think if they updated some of the paint.
Yeah,
They could really
I was just saying in the video here, I like the wood
Well, I love the wood.
because it kind of gives beach house nautical.
Yes.
But like, I would probably paint the walls a little bit, but you know.
There's a lot of stark whiteness.
But for $360, I think you can afford to, because that's just cosmetic. It's not like,
Oh yeah, it's you just have to find the person who can take it and run with the vision.
right?
But I like this. This is one thing I really like.
The plantation.
Yes.
I haven't seen a plantation on a slider like that
I
before.
know, it's kind of nifty.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
There.
Really good size bathroom. We got 2 vanities. You do have a shower as well.
And they have pull down spray closets. Look at that. Look at this,
Oh snap. For all those beard hairs.
ready?
I guess that's the only thing I can think
Hopefully
of.
not on the bearded lady.
Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Good sized closet. Yeah.
Did you see the extra door in there? In that room?
We didn't go in there yet, but yeah, there's like a secret
Oh,
door.
wow, this is a deep place. Look at that.
Oh snap. Shauna's crossing over. She's gonna be a realtor.
I love my realtor partners. I don't want to be their competition.
Good sized bathroom. Okay, I'm coming.
So this is really nifty. I was just checking this out. Just open this up, so it's a nice little play space.
Oh my
Kind
goodness.
of hidden.
Cool. Wow, I didn't realize it was the whole length of the wall.
What I really like is that you kind of have like this classroom vibe. So if you got someone who's a good homeschool mom, this
Mm-hmm.
would be a great space because like you've got plenty of bookshelf space, and then it actually goes back into a little play center.
Right. And a really good sized closet. Maybe they did use it as a schoolroom. She's got a file cabinet in there. Then you have
lighting
plantation shutters in there. Skylights.
and new vinyl windows.
Does have, yeah, I think I said that. I don't know. A lot of new. It says it had a new roof, 2024.
That'll help save on insurance, which is a huge plus.
It had professional landscaping, which is obviously great for resale.
Has great curb appeal. Absolutely great curb appeal.
They got a new water heater in 2025.
Solid win.
So anyway, a lot of good stuff. But obviously, I'll put like a link to all the photos and stuff. You can check that out. But I mean, it is not the best. We're standing right under. It's fine. It's fine.
It's fine.
Okay.
But this is a really cute house, and it's got a lot of. It's not your typical house that you would see in Tulsa, and I think that's why I really do like the curb appeal.
Yeah.
You walk up, even into the community, there's ducks and geese.
Oh yeah, and it's gated. I didn't even say
It
that.
is gated.
360 and gated for how big is it? 2,100 square feet.
It's a really
Huge
it's a
house.
steal.
I love all of this. This is probably my favorite
Oh,
part.
it's fantastic. I love the rugs. I love the whole look of this house.
It's like vintage, but in a good way.
Yes, in all the right ways.
Yeah. Well, if you're interested in this house, obviously, I'd be happy to show it to you, and the amazing Shauna right here with Apex Title would be happy to do your title work.
Absolutely,
So,
we would.
Make sure you check the comments. Let me know what you think about this house, and then in the description, I'll put a link to all the photos.
Yes.
And I think it's really cool. And like I said, 360.
Come take a tour.
That's a good deal. And I didn't talk about location. So we are in South Tulsa. You're like, what, 91st and Yale-ish?
Right around. We're really
Um,
closer to Sheridan than we are
Yeah.
Yale.
But I mean, like, there's Whole Foods. There's
You're
tons
minutes away
of-
from Riverside, from Tulsa Hills, all of it. You're really close to shopping from right here.
Well, yeah, because the Turnpike entrance is like just down the street, so you could literally be anywhere within the greater Tulsa.
Within 10 minutes at the best. So.
Yeah. Cool.
Yep.
What are you waiting for? You should be calling me already because you need to buy this house before it's gone.